Morning everyone, it's now Sunday. I didn't get any footage of Saturday, we were so busy. As you can see, the car looks awesome. Absolutely covered. We were a bit worried we weren't going to find space for people to colour in today, but you know, there's plenty of space in between. There's people's names that we can colour in, the letters, loads of space. Bit of space on the roof as well. One big problem we had yesterday was it was so windy that the gazebo broke. So we've now got a sign we're going to put up. It's a bit better weather today, so Selina's just adjusting it, tweaking it a bit. We've got some other signs we're going to put up. The MG obviously didn't get it running. It's a bit of a pain. It's not far off being done, but yeah, didn't quite get the time to do it. That has proven to be quite popular. Loads of people, loads of kids, they just want to be able to sit in the car, so we've been inviting them down. They've been sitting in, pressing the horn, getting us loads of attention. Later on today we've got Steve and Lloyd coming down for a photo shoot, we've got a couple more people helping us out today, so hopefully I'll have a bit more time to do more video and do more recording, and I'll take you around the site, show you some of the cars that are here. Yeah. Right, that's the end of Magnificent Motors, and look at the car. It is absolutely brilliant what people have done to this. So thank you to everyone who's been down and decorated the car. It looks brilliant.
Thank you all for coming down today, guys. It's been a brilliant weekend. We've raised so much money for Embrace. If you want to come down and see it at the Carnival, that's in 2 weeks' time on the 25th, so make sure you're down there to see the car.
Make sure you subscribe. We'll do another video for the Carnival. Make sure you follow us on social media as well, because you get the opportunity to decide what I am going to be wearing through the Carnival. Like our Facebook page, keep an eye out for that. See you later.